So it's only been about 5 to 10 minutes since I filmed the ADA breakout video from earlier today, and we've gone on a little correction in the market. Expect massive volatility up in these ranges. People are trying to figure out where the market's headed, and I get it. And that's really what I want to talk about in this video. Okay. Even, when we look at the ADA charts here again, we've already gone back down to about 62.5 cents. BTC dropped to about 59K. We actually dropped down into the mid 58K range just before I started filming this video. So again, expect wild swings in this range. And there's a specific reason why we're seeing this in the charts. Don't be surprised if we do get this breakout. Don't be surprised if we come and try to tap this several times. But the reason why people have questions right now is look at where we're at. We broke out of the bull market door. We're sitting now on top of our long-term trend line. We're sitting on top of our ascending channel that we have been in. And the last time that we did this was all the way back in April of 2023. So it's been quite some time. It's been closing in on a year now. And what happened at that point is we went on a correction. We went on retracement. Right now, again, being at unprecedented levels, being outside of our trend, it's going to make people have questions. People are going to question whether, hey, are we going to continue on this rally or are we going to pull back from here? All right. Now, I did chart out what happened last time. The trader in me and the historical mindset in me tells me that this may be our path moving forward. This may be where we start our retracement and come back down to around that, 52K level. That would actually make a lot of sense before the halving. But guess what? The market doesn't make a lot of sense right now. So we know for a fact that above here, there have been a ton of shorts that have been opened up yet again. And the fact that people are continuing to do this just seems like insanity to me. Have they not lost enough money? And apparently the answer is no. They want to continue to lose more. So what this chart even shows is a potentially higher move to the upside still this week. This even shows that it may be up to somewhere around 62K, which would be awesome. I don't think anybody would be complaining about that. But then don't be surprised again if we have these corrections. Now, I will say this, I'm pumping the brakes on corrections, and there's a big reason why. There are still short liquidations happening. Institutional money is still buying in a massive way. Right now, we're on pace to have the largest week of institutional buying we have ever seen. All right, we're already over $1 billion in institutional inflow into BTC. We're on pace for 2.5 billion, again, the largest week ever. And for example, BlackRock just had their highest day of buying BTC ever. And the thing is right now, this is all not necessarily slowing down. It's in fact ramping up. Okay. If this continues to be the case, if shorts continue to get liquidated, if whales continue to buy up these positions, it would not surprise me if instead of following this correction like we're talking about in the charts here, if we continue to push the upside. This is a big reason why I've said I don't know if we do what we've done historically, if we have this big retracement or anything like that. Know this, the higher we go and the less support that we have up in those range, the larger we can retrace, right? But the problem is when we have our retracement, what's still going to be happening? Institutional money is going to be buying. That's why I've also said if we do have a retracement, it may not be as much as people expect. That's why right now, a retracement like this, if we get one, this would actually make a lot of sense before continuing our massive explosion to the upside. And know that we again are just starting to get retail interest in crypto. Enterprises are just beginning to really we're seeing some integrations into blockchain tech right now, but we're still really, really early in that regard. Okay. So right now, my mind tells me that I should take profit, but I'm not really doing that. I'm waiting because I see all these signs that are pointing to the upside. Okay. And this is not financial advice. This is not an indicator or anything like that. That's not what we do here on the channel. But this time is very different than what we're seeing and have seen in the past. Okay. Pay attention to a lot of these things very closely. If some of these metrics start to flip, if we start to see institutional sell-offs, things like that, then okay, maybe it's time that we start reassessing this. Maybe then we do end up having our drop. But I think this next week, it looks like it's going to be very telling. If we follow the trend that we did last time, this next week should give us our direction. If we continue liquidating shorts, if we continue taking stabs to the upside, creating new cycle highs, it's hard to bet against things. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Again, I said this was going to be a little bit longer of a video. That's why I wanted to make this an independent one. So I appreciate you guys as always. This could be obviously great for the price of ADA, great for the price of assets around the space. So just be prepared. Have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.